Well, update on the freight shaker. AJ came out to help. He's been a big help today. We couldn't have done it without him. So anyway, I finally got the carpet out. I'd say it took me about 4 hours. Most of the bolts for the fasteners were not coming out, so I cut them.
Yeah, and they were stuck.
And so this is the sound mat down here. I'm debating to leave it in or take it out. I will take a break, and when I come back, if I smell any more odors in here, then I will take it out. If not, then I'll sweep it up. I need to take that the bunk header off there, or what do you want to call it? The foundation to the bunk right there, where the air hose and the plug and the bunk release and vent more, and searching for words. And yeah, so we got the carpet out. Now it's going to change to red. I think you guys will like the color I chose. I know the outside's going to need some paint, but you know, when the truck gets paid off, we'll worry about that then. But for now, I just need to get it the things that need to get it on the road, and so it'll be roadworthy. And says my battery's halfway down. But anyway, to make it roadworthy, which is pretty close to being roadworthy, there's just a few little things. They're gonna fix lights and some wiring here and there, and that's not a big deal. The biggest deal was to get it cleaned up. Still debating on seats. Those seats they're the originals, I believe. And I think the padding is completely gone on them. They were like riding old buckboard when I came back. So yeah. Not butt board, a buck board. That's a wagon that's pulled by a couple of horses, and they usually use a buckboard to get around on, like these old Mennonites are. So, old wooden seat, wagon wheels. So anywho, so that's the update, and the next update when I get the carpet laid, and I'll cue in and let you all see how it's coming along. Peace.